In the following video, I'm going to demonstrate the use of the Outback Organics roller cartridge system to do a half leg wax. What you will observe is how quickly and smoothly it goes on and how thin the application is, which will result in using less strips. Let me show you. So we're going to start with our preparation using the Outback Organics gel cleanser. And just making sure we push it all up into the knee and the outer lower leg where the hair is very prone to break. So we just want to soften the follicle, soften the skin to release the hair. And then once we've done the cleanse, we'll do the botanical oil, just a spray on each leg, and work that in exactly like we have done the cleanser. Your prep is super key. So we create that softness and hydration. It will make it a more comfortable experience for the client because the skin's soft, so it's not holding on to the hair so tight. And then we're going to tissue the excess off. So that is our preparation done. Now we can apply our roller. Okay, so I will demonstrate how quickly the roller cartridge system can be applied onto the front of both legs. And then we'll remove. And keeping with the same strip. So as you can see, it's a very quick application. It's a thin application, and I'm managing to keep with the same strip to remove the fronts of both legs.